Hey guys, we've been asked a lot of questions about this wall system. This is from Clearform. It's a plastic formwork system where you pour concrete in and it creates this bulletproof concrete wall. Dinsel and AFS also do it. This one's from Clearform. It's a great system. They were really good. It is expensive, but you save a lot of time and money on labour. It requires minimal formwork. It goes in fast. And like I said, totally bulletproof. This was the spec we'd received from the engineer. It had a 100mm slab with a 300mm beam all the way around the house for renovation. The lower story, it has this detail. You can see there the shape of that concrete slab is how the renovation happened on the lower level of the house, the subfloor level. And the problem we had was that the ground was far less stable than we realised. We ended up having to take out a whole lot of earth, and we had to just improvise. Got along with Brad from Reset, who was just a legend. He really helped us out. He's the guru with all this sort of stuff. And we just put both our teams together and we just blitzed it. It turned out really well. I'll just put up a few more little details. This is one of the specs we got from the manufacturer that we followed, and then the engineer also gave us some additional specs that he wanted us to use. And we just had to go crazy with all of it. We even upgraded it ourselves. Just because we wanted it to be absolutely bulletproof and to have no problems. You can see here how we started building the wall. The system is awesome. You just cut them to height, you click them together, you put a bit of formwork, a bit of bracing, get it dead straight, and Bob's your uncle. In this pic, you can sort of see the starter bars. There were like 200 or 300 starter bars. We were there for ages drilling, and but I can really confidently say it's going to go absolutely nowhere. Starter bars went down into the bed. The bedrock was as hard as a rock can get. I swear it was some kind of granite. It was just much harder than concrete. Drilling it took ages, but as I said, very confident that it's never going anywhere. And yeah, all this Rio went in. I'll show you a picture of the corner. These corners are cool, like they slide out and you can push all your steel in and your hook bars and everything, and slide the corner piece of the corner panel back in, and it works sick. It all just like connects together. It's like Lego, it's quick as. And you pour your wall mix into it, which is sort of like a running concrete, still 25 or more MPa. Works so cool. And we've cut it all off level. You pour it, and then you just use that as your base for your slab. One more point I'll mention is the waterproofing detail. This is like a hydrophilic expansion water stop that you put in the middle of the wall. This particular detail is the retaining wall on top of the slab that's on top of the Clearform that's on the rock. So there's sort of 3 stages of concrete here. This is for the retaining wall. There's a big 5 metre by 5 metre retaining wall on the other side of the building over there.